Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make CERASEE tea and some of the benefits you can get from drinking CERASEE tea.
Oh, finally I get the
Alright, so the CERASEE plant is native to Africa and the Middle East. However, it can now be found in almost all parts of the world. The yellow fruit which the plant produces, which is the bitter melon or bitter gourd, can be eaten raw and is cooked in many Chinese and Indian dishes. Alright, so the water is fully boiled. The CERASEE is in this measuring cup. So I'm going to pour 10 ounces of water and then I'm going to leave it there for around 4 to 5 minutes and allow it to steep. In Jamaica, CERASEE is a very popular herb. The leaves are usually boiled or drawn into a tea and taken for a number of ailments including hypertension, diabetes, parasitic worms, abdominal pains, and purging or detoxing the body and blood. CERASEE is also used for constipation, and it is sometimes given to children for fevers and colds. In addition, CERASEE is also used sometimes with other herbs to make a bush bath to treat skin problems like rashes and eczema. Also, in some cases, the fresh leaves are crushed and rubbed on the skin to deal with skin problems and insect bites. It is also used as a tea to reduce menstrual pain and to cure urinary tract infections. Nutritionally, CERASEE is rich in vitamins A and C, phosphorus and iron. Therefore, CERASEE can be used as a mild detoxer. It is usually recommended that CERASEE, when used as a tea, be taken for 9 nights, straight after which a break is taken. Cheers to all the benefits that CERASEE will bring to my body. Let's get drinking. In recent times, CERASEE has become extremely commercialized, and tea bags can now be found in almost all supermarkets. Bitter, very bitter. And note guys, I did not add any sugar or honey to it. I'm just drinking it all natural. Just have a few more sips to go. In Jamaican folklore, it is proposed that CERASEE tea be taken by a pregnant woman so that the newborn will be born with a good skin, or as we say, great skin tone, and it makes the birthing process even easier. And it's finished. An empty cup. So guys, I'm gonna try to drink this tea for at least 7 nights just to claim the benefits that CERASEE is known to possess. Happy and healthy life. Cheers.